Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In this one I will show you how to connect Lovable to N8N. So guys, this is pretty much the website that creates different types of blogs, projects, whatever you want, applications. Yeah, pretty much really cool service. And N8N will, you probably know what this is, a automation platform. So now let's start our connection. We're at the first step. And in the search for nodes, type in webhook, choose that. Alright, and now in the method, choose post. And click on this to copy the URL. We will need this on Lovable. So just click on it, and now let me just maximize this so that it's easier for you guys. So in here, of course, make sure to create a project. As you can see, I already have one. I will just edit this one and use this one. So pretty much, guys, what we will do, we will create an automation based on using something on our website, right? So this is just a blog that I've created with Lovable, as you can see, NASA blog. All right, and with that link copied, just choose for what do you want to create your automation. So I will, for example, use this button, all right? And whenever someone clicks on it, I want to make it known or attach some kind of other action to it. So just go ahead and press on edit right here down below. And now choose what you want to basically control and add the action to. And this is going to be my button right over here. And where it says ask for quick changes, you type in add webhook, 2 dots, and then paste the link that we have copied back from N8N and press on either enter or this arrow up. Alright, as you can see now it's going to be adding the webhook. So you can see it's going to update, in your case, add the webhook URL or the latest news button. So now our automation is created. As you can see, updated. Okay, and back in here on N8N, whenever someone presses that button, you will know about it. You can also press listen to the test event, but in general, now back in your nodes, if you come back, as you can see, you have your webhook for that precisely button that we have customized back in the Lovable. And you can do this with any element pretty much on your project in Lovable, which is pretty great. And the N8N allows you to customize it to any extent that you wish. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.